Before we start editing, I just want to set up some quick important preferences. So the first one, if you go to preferences and audio, go to editing, under general, editing. Fade tool, click zones, make sure that's ticked on, and marquee tool, click zones, make sure that's on too. I'll go through that shortly as we progress through this video. The last thing is to make sure that your synchronization is set to 0. Let's see, synchronization, is it set to 0? Okay, it's set to 1 there. Now I want to set it to 0 so that when I see the time code up here, it's always set to 0 so I can see the time. So I'm going to set that to custom. So now this starts at 0. Okay, so actually I want to just add that to my template. Let me go to my template and make sure that that's added into the template. So this is how you just kind of save yourself a little bit of time by just setting things up with the right sort of template and things like that. Okay, and I'm going to save that template and exit it.